So friends, we are all going to discuss here simple future format, that is WH question format, that is who, what, where, why, how, when, how long, which, all the questions. So I am going to ask you questions. My target is that you are going to answer one by one. Ready, sir?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So first question for you. Who will go to market?
I will go to market.
Okay. For example, the answer is coming, I'll go to market. My next question, when will you go to market?
I will go to market in 9 p.m.
In 9 p.m. is not accepted. Always say around 9 p.m. It's a talking about night. It's okay, you can go to market at night around 9 p.m. or else about 9 p.m. It is not in 9 p.m. When you use in, that is in the evening, in the morning, like this. Okay. How will you go to market?
I will go to market by bike.
Okay. So which market will you go?
I will go to IT market.
I'll go to Mardi market. Why will you go to market, sir?
I will go to buy some vegetables.
I'll go to market to buy some vegetables. Which vegetables will you be buying, sir?
I will buy tomatoes, potatoes.
Great, sir. Tomato, potato. How much tomato will you buy?
I will buy 1 kg of tomato.
How much potato will you buy?
I will buy 2 kg potato.
Okay. How much will you pay for tomato?
50 rupees I will pay on tomato.
For tomato. How much will you pay for potato?
I will spend 50 rupees for tomato.
Again 50 rupees. What else will you buy from the market? ଆଉ କ'ଣ କିଣିବେ ମାର୍କେଟରୁ?
I will buy market.
I'll buy.
I will buy brinjal.
Okay, again brinjal cauliflower also. So how much brinjal will you buy?
I will buy brinjal
1 kg brinjal, 2 kg brinjal, 500 gram brinjal, like this. How much will you pay for brinjal?
I will pay for 200 rupees.
I will pay 200 rupees for brinjal. Right? Okay. So next question is, will you buy some food items for yourself to eat?
Yes, I will buy. Yes, I will buy some food items for myself.
Which food items will you buy?
I will buy some biscuits.
Biscuits. Wonderful. How much will you pay for your biscuit?
100 rupees I will pay.
For my biscuit. Great, great, great. Next question is, will you buy non-veg items from the market?
Yes, I will buy non-veg items.
From the market. Which non-veg items will you buy?
I will buy chicken.
I'll buy chicken. How much will you pay for chicken?
I will pay 200 rupees for chicken.
Okay. Will you buy mutton from the market?
Yes, I will buy mutton from the market.
Okay. How much mutton will you buy?
I will buy 1 kg of mutton.
Okay. How much will you pay for your mutton?
I will pay 750 rupees for mutton.
Okay. Will you buy some onions or what is called non-veg masalas from the market?
Yes, I will buy some non-veg masalas from the market.
Okay. How much will you spend on masalas?
Only 20 rupees I will pay the masala.
Okay, bit high because you are taking 1 kg of mutton, again chicken is there. So, okay, so make it at least 200 rupees. Great. So, when will you return from market?
I will return from market around 2 p.m.
No, you've been there at 9 p.m. You return around 10 p.m. Make it 10 p.m.
I will return around
10 p.m. How will you return from market?
I will market.
I'll return.
I return.
I will return, sir.
Return from market in my bike.
On my bike, sir. On my bike or else by a bike. We never say in, sir. In is used for personal car. Right? We use in. Now coming to the next question. That is called as, when will you reach home?
I will reach home at 10 p.m.
10 p.m. At 10 p.m. is not absolute clear. I'll try to say around 10 p.m.
I don't play for.
About 10 p.m. because it's not like exactly 10 o'clock you are entering home. So, will you sanitize yourself after reaching home?
Yes, I will sanitize myself after reaching home.
Okay. Which sanitizer will you use to sanitize yourself? Which brand sanitizer?
I will use Dettol sanitizer to sanitize my hands.
Great, great, great. Will you take your dinner after that?
Yes, I will take dinner today.
Okay, what will you take in your dinner?
I will take my dinner.
I will take.
I will take my dinner.
No. Actually, the thing is that when the question is, what will you take in your dinner? कौन तमे dinner रे नब? Answer आसीमा मु नेबी. Again dinner रे नेबी सेटा ना. I will take roti, what you call mixed vegetable in my dinner. The answer is like that. Okay, thank you. So how long will you take your dinner?
I will 30 minutes on my dinner.
I will take 30 minutes for my dinner. Okay, will you watch movies after your dinner?
Yes, I will watch movie after my dinner.
How long will you watch movies, sir?
I will watch 30 minutes.
Okay, after the dinner. Great. Will you watch some YouTube videos?
No, I won't watch some YouTube videos.
Okay. Will you read some books?
Yes, I will read some books.
Okay. When will you hit the sack?
I will have to say
10 p.m. you reach home. Now 30 minutes. Make it at least 11:30 because dinner is over. Again watch movies.
movie for 30
So
minutes.
30 minutes. How long will you? When will you get up in the morning?
I will wake up in the morning at 9 p.m.
At 9 p.m. Always you are putting p.m. So you will be sleeping for 24 hours.
9 a.m.
9 a.m. Around 9 a.m. Because that makes it is not art means exactly 9 o'clock. It is not possible.
Early in the morning.
Yeah. You can say I'll get up early in the morning.
Yeah.
Great, wonderful, sir. So will you go for morning walk in the morning?
No, I won't go to the morning walk.
I won't go for morning walk.
I won't.
Go for morning walk. Great. So will you do some yoga?
Yes, I will do some yoga.
Will you do some exercise?
Yes, I will do exercise.
How long will you do exercise, sir?
Sir,
I will do.
I will do around 1 hour.
I will do around 1 hour. Okay. When will you take your breakfast, sir?
I will take my breakfast at 8 a.m.
At 8, around 8 o'clock. Always we should use around rather than at because this makes like sense is not positive because at 8 o'clock means you need to wait. When 8, suddenly you take the breakfast. Appropriate is around. Okay. Now coming to another expression. What will you take in your breakfast?
I will take idli sambar.
In my breakfast. How long will you take for breakfast?
10 minutes I will
Take my breakfast. Now question for you, sir.
Yes.
So will you go to your office after that?
Yes, I will go to office after that.
How long will you work in the office?
I will work in office around
8 a.m.
8 hours.
Around 8 hours I will work in the office. So when will you take your lunch?
I'll take my lunch at 1 p.m.
Okay. What will you take in your lunch?
I will take rice, chicken, dal.
How long will you take your lunch?
I will take lunch around 30 minutes.
Around 30 minutes I will take my lunch. Now coming to the next question. When will you take your supper? Supper means evening snacks. We call it
I
supper.
will take supper at 5 p.m.
What will you take in your supper?
I'll take one kurkure in my supper.
Okay, thank you. I just want thanks everyone for this wonderful conversation. Thanks a lot.